I'm Jeff Pelletier here in Leogane, Haiti. We are a couple of hours away from the bustling noise, the traffic in Port-au-Prince, and we're here in this rural community. Leogane was also the epicenter of the earthquake in 2010. And it's an area that still needs rebuilding, it still needs creation of jobs and improving the environment. A couple months ago, we opened our center with the Leogane Foundation right behind us to bring these opportunities to this community. And I am happy that I have some of my friends from the program all across the country, and these are some of the key people who help bring all these impacts to different communities. We have Babo and John from the center here in Leogane with the Leogane Foundation. We have Kevin and Johnny behind the camera from CSS. They travel to all the different centers, they do additional training, and they make sure everything's working properly. And we have Jerome, who is with the center in Delma 31. And Kevin's going to help me out a little bit, and we're going to ask a couple questions to the guys and just see, kind of in their own words, what impact the program is having where they live. Let's start with Babo, who is the manager of this center here in Leogane. And Kev, I'm going to have you translate it. So Babo, just share with us a little bit of what this center, what this resource means for the environment here in Leogane.
Monsieur Babo, est bon un petit bagay qui ça centre là qui fait dans communauté pour nous.
C'est un petit staff ça. Bonsoir. C'est une grande fierté pour nous tous. Aujourd'hui, nous là comme si nous avons fait message ça passer pour l'environnement nous.
We tell the staff that's watching us right now, thank you very much. And for the center that's been in Leogane has helped us out a lot.
Bon, pour ça encore, ça fait nous dire pour l'environnement nous dit merci parce que nous avons une bonne plastique ça dans l'environnement nous, c'est qu'on a prend pour y aller bon en mer, pour y aller nous côté que nous capons pour nous recycler pour nous apporter dans bonne place.
The reason why we're telling you thank you because all this plastic that is sitting right behind us, they was clogging up the canals, they was all on the beach water. And now they are able to be picked up and make money. So we're telling you thank you.
Plus pour nous finir tout moi peut-être avec force pour nous dire pour tout monsieur ça staff ça qui ça spécialement pour Jeff. Merci tout parce que nous portons un environnement vraiment belle parce que environnement nous pas bon du tout parce que les déchets ça yo on y aller nous yo le bon petit peu quotidien quand même nous capable de manger avec petit jour avec madame nous comme ça les ça seulement porter environnement nous porter tout sous les plans économiques.
I would like to tell the staff, especially for Jeff Pelletier, for allowing this opportunity to provide itself because now it allows people in the community to be able to eat, it allows the streets to be clean, and allow us to improve our community by being it clean.
Thank you. Thanks, Babo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And they just do such a great job here. And also with Babo here in Leogane is John. And so John is kind of our businessman. He's still in school. He's the business manager at the center here. And so Kev, if you could just ask John just a little bit about, he did some business training through Mercy Corps for the program. He gets to work in the center every day as his job. What has that kind of meant for him and his development and how he's moving forward?
Monsieur John, nous qui t'en connaissons, vous te prendre information sur le business et puis vous avez une chance, opportunité pour apprendre dans le centre là. Dans tout ça, qui ça veut dire pour Monsieur John?
Ok, jusqu'avant que je me présente ça, je remercie le staff qui est réuni là. Et je remercie Leogane Fondation et je remercie Jeff qui a fait le travail ça en Haïti. Et pour m'expliquer qui expérience que je fais dans ce centre là, jusqu'à maintenant c'est une fierté pour moi, je suis content en pile.
Monsieur John a dit que he would like to thank everybody for being here with us, especially the staff of Ramase Lajan, and that by him being the opportunity to be able to work in the center has allowed him to be able to do something to the community. I don't know.
Et ensuite, je suis content parce que Ramase Lajan a une chance de participer à ce séminaire. Je suis content en pile.
He's very happy that the Ramase Lajan had allowed him to be able to work into the center.
Parce que son jeunesse qui remet apprendre.
He's a young man that likes to learn a lot.
Et il y a une possibilité pour moi de travailler sur ce séminaire qui me apprendre.
They gave him the opportunity to be able to work on something that he learned about.
Et ce séminaire ça a l'hypothèse pour moi non seulement pour aider tête moi avec l'école,
The center did a lot for him, and they also allowed him to be able to pay his school. One of the hopeful that he had, that he was able, back then he was able to walk and step on the plastic, but now it's a different thing. Today, people are happy because they're not able to find these plastic laying on the streets of Haiti.
Parce que Leogane a nettoyé et Haïti a nettoyé, ça va porter plus de touristes pour nous. Nous contents, nous remercions, c'était John.
Okay, that make me very happy because Leogane is getting cleaner, Haiti in general is getting cleaner, and that allow us to have a cleaner environment. And he'd just like to thank the whole staff of Ramase Lajan. Thank you.
Thank you, John. And they are doing such a great job here in Leogane at this center from the Neges Foundation. And now to Kevin. Smile lights up any room.
Thank you.
Kevin works with Johnny as well from CSS International Holdings, our partner on this program. And they travel to all these centers almost daily. We have 11 now, so really all across the country, helping with training and just making sure everything is working properly. So Kev, you get to see these centers as much as anybody. What are just some of the things that you're seeing as far as just improvements in the neighborhoods where the centers are located?
Well, number one, a lot of people that's not fortunate enough to be able to manage themselves or help their family or kids, the center allowed them to be able to. It allowed them to be able to work, it allowed them to be able to make some type of money to be able to take care of their problem or whatever they have come toward. And the center have changed a lot of people because back then there was a lot of young men, young women that was out there wandering around, didn't know what to expect. But now Ramase Lajan allowed them to be able to eat, have to help the community a lot cleaner and help them with good sanitation where they can be proud of.
Yeah, and I mean, and some of the people who've had as much to do with anything with this program is Kevin, is Johnny, is everyone at CSS, all of our partners. It's just been such a team effort, and we couldn't do it without you, Kevin.
Thank you, sir.
And certainly the other people who are working every single day on this program as well. And then last but certainly not least is Mr. Jerome. And so Jerome, he manages the center in Delmont 31, sponsored by the parish of St. Jude. And now they have been open for 7 months. They were one of our first centers. And Kevin, you could ask Jerome for a couple thoughts on what this has meant for them over these 7 months from an income opportunity for people who now have jobs, people who are making money working. What are some of those impacts that he's seeing?
Monsieur Jérôme, qui opportunité simplement ba ou pendant 7 mois ça ouvrir qui pour permettre mon yo pour d'avoir un petit travail, faire petit l'argent et en tout aider pays.
C'est un bel plaisir pour moi qui m'accompagne. Premièrement, je remercie Dieu pour l'opportunité pour être capable de vivre.
It's a pleasure for him to be involved with the staff of Ramase Lajan, especially for Mr. Jeff Pelletier that allowed him to be able to work into the center to be able to help the community grow and be stronger.
Travail dans Delmont 31, dans la paroisse Saint-Jude, pour te faire un doux, bon responsable pour moi mettre Ramase Lajan sur pied pour faire un travail.
Another thing for me, I like to thank Father Andrew for allowing him to be able to work into the container and manage it to be able to help the environment to improve.
Ça qu'on fait mal pour les jeunes qui travaillent, mettre dans la paroisse, mettre quelques monde
That hurt me very much to see a lot of young people that is out there is not fortunate enough to be able to work. And now we are able to provide some type of work, some type of money where we can allow them to be able to take care of themselves.
Alors, c'est pas ça seulement que les gens qui ont ramassé plastique qui joignent Chocho qu'on est là pour le petit manger, ça fait qu'elle me comme ça parce qu'ils sont chrétiens catholiques.
Okay, that's not the only thing. There's also a lot of people to be able to pick up plastic and make money off of it and make some money. Me, I'm a Catholic, and I'm very thankful and happy that is the opportunity has this place.
Puis gros bagarre encore qui fait nous réjouir, c'est parce que en dedans quartier par nous en côté où les parois serviles là, gagner santé cap à Google parce que pas capable de la
The most thankful thing for me is that in Delmar 31, by the plastic being picked up, allowed a lot of people to have good health because it's not on the ground no more.
Okay, moi dis merci parce qu'il fait me reconnaître notre groupe et le groupe ça qui est bien content. Alors,
I'd like to thank Jeff very much for allowing me to meet other fellas that are working in the center with me, and that make me so proud and happy. Thank you again.
Thank you, Jerome. And really, you know what this program is about. I mean, it's a team effort. What we've done has not been easy. In fact, it's been really hard. And it's taken a lot of people to do that. And so now we have 11 community collection centers. We've helped recycle over 300,000 pounds of plastic. We've helped pay out over $30,000 to their neighbors for the collection of this plastic. But it's taken a village to do this. It's taken Executives Without Borders, it's taken CSS, it's taking our incredible sponsors, Parish of St. Jude, and the Guest Foundation. It's taken Haiti Recycling, it's taking Samaritan's Purse, who has sponsored over 10 centers and also helps all of them with transportation. It's taking the Mapu Foundation, the Pittsburgh Kids Foundation, the Kellogg Foundation. It's taken everyone to make these impacts possible. It's taken Respire Haiti joining the program. It's taking Mercy Corps doing the training. This is a team effort. And what we're seeing is the return on this effort, the return on these investments. And we are just together here today, so grateful for everything that we've been able to do so far and for all the support. But we know that there's still work left to do. The times when people weren't working and plastic was everywhere, those times might be over, but there's still so much more work to do. And we ask you to join us in this effort today.